with Eddie, all right, and Vinny Cuz here. Um, Long weekend, but we have a nice little challenge. Who can get to $2,000 quickly? I am at 976. Vinny is at 1,000. What is it?
$241. Had a shit
1,200. What?
had a shitty week last week.
Okay,
It was a bad week.
200.
You had a bad week. Come on, bro. It's a bad week, bro. Think about it.
And so doing the whole ride sharing, leaving the ride sharing lifestyle to the day trading lifestyle. So I play the little strategy goes when the green line crosses over the yellow line, that's when I make money. And Vinny does whatever he does on his side. Let's
Oh
make
my
this
god.
money.
Stop, dude. Stop, dude. I'm a nice guy. Stop. Why you got it? Why you got why? You firing shots.
What is your strategy?
Shots fired.
That
Y'all
is
need to
my
come
only
on
strategy
in.
that I have right now.
No, because we discussed some strategies yesterday,
But yeah, but
right?
they ended up being the same thing, going back to the VWAP.
Yeah, but come on now. But right, we got you into some other things, supply demand zones,
Uh
right?
huh. With the big giant candle bars,
Yep.
candlestick, the wicks
The
of
wicks,
support and resistance.
not only the wicks, right? Not only the wicks, but entry and exits, right? We worked on the one yesterday where we watched Bitcoin a little bit. What else did we get out of that with the Bitcoin? The putting in your ratio for your stop loss, go long
Oh
position.
yeah,
Oh my god, bro. Come on, man.
with Trader View. Yeah, we did a lot of stuff. We reviewed a lot of stuff. Trader View. I got my little bars up here like you wanted to. So like, if this was to break out, then I was to take it. That will be like, okay, I'm gonna buy right here, and then
Spent all that time yesterday working on that.
and then
Gee,
this is my loss,
Jesus.
and then this is my profit. Oh wow, hold on, this is a gap fill right now.
Jesus. Spent all that time. Sorry, y'all. I got to put on the headphones so I don't get all the echo. Echo.
See that loss of 14% for a possible 20% win.
Oh, God. Oh, man. Good morning, Carlos. What's going on, brother? How we doing, man?
Hey, anybody here that's Carlos? You're not in Austin, are you, Carlos? Texas?
The new Fast and Furious?
Oh wait, who's Carlos? In Fast and Furious.
No, bro. No, not bro.
You
Bro,
said
stop.
Fast and Furious.
Because that's what the report said. So when I got home late last night, oh, Tesla's going for a dive already. When I got home last night, that's how they introduced that clip into Austin, Texas. They said the organizer wanted to be one of the organizers said he wanted to be the new Fast and Furious.
Yeah.
So just letting you know, homie. That's what was said. That's how they said it.
Yeah, there was some watch, but I'm telling you, watch. Uh, Everything is California's fault, no
Yeah,
matter what
well,
it is.
it's not all California's fault.
No, I know, but here, that's that's what they go to. All right, so let's go. The market is open. We are watching it. Let me go 2 minute. I'm staying away from the 1 minute, and I am looking for this. This is what I'm looking for.
What are you looking
Yes,
for? What do
yesterday
you
it did it at the beginning of the day.
what did it
It's
do?
this, the big dive,
Uh huh.
separation,
Uh huh.
oversold.
Uh huh.
Okay, I wait
Uh
for my candle to be under. Hold on,
huh. Uh huh. Uh huh.
where am I?
Uh huh.
See, it's doing it on the 3 minute.
You're in Austin right now, aren't you? Aren't you
Yeah,
in
yeah,
Austin?
yeah.
Okay, just want to make sure.
Say it's doing it in my 2, my 3, my 5, and is it doing it on my 15?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's not really doing it on my 15, but the idea is wait for it to come down into an oversold, lines crossed. Now I noticed that the lines, when the lines are crossed, I'm right above my green line, and then take it to the VWAP, all right, and continue after that. But I need this oversold pattern and lines crossing. Let's see where it goes.
Do, 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 do. Oh, big push, big push.
Let me see. I got Tesla over here. Whoa.
Waiting for the setup. Waiting for the setup. Tesla's going for that gap fill. Tesla might go for that gap fill this morning right off the rip, which would be, let's see, would be about 208.90.
208. Actually, that's what I have it at. 208.90.
That's the gap fill.
See, the thing is, what's he gonna do when he gets there?
What you gonna do when they
When they
come
come
for
for
you?
you, bad boys, bad boys.
Bro, I was getting so flipping frustrated yesterday with Lyft. Bro, so frustrated. They were sending me rides when I went out last night, yesterday afternoon. They were sending me rides for $6, $7. XL rides, Lux rides, $6, $7. I was like, how the hell? How's that possible? Going 1 mile, 2 miles, I get that. But then, it's like a lot of people have noticed too. When they send you for the rides, the upfront details, they're lying
Uh
their
huh.
ass they're lying their asses off because it'll tell you a mile and a half to pick up, and then you start your GPS and it's 2.2 miles to go to pick up. Bro, I was getting so freaking pissed with them yesterday. Oh man, all right, checking on Carlos says he is doing this stock marketing. I
Yeah.
love it, bro. That's how to
Yeah.
say it. I'm stock marketing, mofo. What you talking about, bro? Good morning, Wes. What's poppin', cat? How you doing? Hope you had a great weekend. Glad everybody could join us this morning.
Oh, it is so nice. Let's lead this ride sharing lifestyle. By the way, I've had like my car broke down, so I've had like a week off, and I've been trying to do a lot. It's very difficult when you have your routine and it gets ruined. So
Yeah, I bet, bro. I bet.
and it gets like interrupted. So you're trying to fill those things with something else.
Bet. I bet. I got my eye on the VIX. Nvidia's pushing up. Tesla's pushing up. We had a little pullback there, and I missed it. But my lines are getting
But
ready to.
look at. Oh, hold on. I think this Tesla one is looking really good right now. Tesla.
Yeah, Tesla is looking kind of good right now.
It is overbought, oversold. Look at the lines, but I really need this MACD right here to be really up there. I need it to be up there. This way the pullback is strong. It's like a rubber band stretching.
I'll see. You look at my MACD's got me in a positive position. Granted, the RSI is a little over. It's right at my cusp. It's right at like 71, 72. It's at 70.7 on the RSI into overbought territory. But the trajectory looks good. Everything looks good. Looking to push into that gap fill, and I'm going for it. I'm looking at getting one right now.
Let me get Tesla, and I'm just gonna buy one Tesla.
All right, I am in at what am I in at here? I guess I got to open that up. Didn't want to do that,
Okay,
but I got to know what
great.
the price is. All right, I'm
I'm
in
waiting
at
for my Tesla come up to the support. See, I don't like it right now, so I'm not gonna take it unless it goes up there to my 208.90. I just really need to my MACD needs to be like, damn it, how do I say this? Like really away from the center, really away, so I can make that call
I hear you.
like this. See, it just comes down like this, really far away from everything, and then
Mm-hmm.
it, hit the oversold. Then when it turns around, it's got a good likely turn to keep going.
Well, I just bought in this little pullback here, this little flag area here, and I am now going to. Oh, we're looking at my chart. I didn't know we were looking at my chart. I thought we were looking at your chart. Why we got to look at my chart, bro?
Yeah, do you want to see what she was talking about? Where are you?
All right. So Carlos says I did very well on Uber Sunday and Monday.
Nice, nice. Carlos, you investing that money? And by
I
the way,
had
it was a good thing that I have the money on the side. I can't believe this stuff happened to me.
all right. Tesla's starting to push up. By the way, I'm in a 210 call. I took the 210 call. I'm trying to get up. I'm trying to make a quick little grip this morning. 4%, 6 right now. I would like to see Tesla break the like to see Tesla break the gap. That's not the one I wanted to change. Damn it. That's the one I wanted to change. And then try to push up into the overmarket high, which was 209.77. This
Three,
is the ultimate. This is where I'm trying to get to. Right. That's where I'm trying to get to. There is an area in here, although your volume was probably pretty bad in this area. But anything above, this is the area.
hold on. Spy is doing its thing. Hold on.
All right. Now we're starting to push into my where I want to go. We get to 209.77. I'll pop this contract out and just take my profits and call it a day. Right now I'm up 9.5%.
Four,
What's
four,
the rule,
four.
Eddie? What's the rule? 10, 20, 50.
10,
10,
10,
20, 50.
break 10, 10. Hold your profit at 10, and then hold on to the rest. Break even. I mean, let it go. But that's your stop.
That's right. That's right. 100%. Do, do, do,
I'm gonna
do,
go.
do,
I'm gonna
do.
set up my spy here just in case.
All right. It's trying to push. We have now officially closed the gap. I am looking at everything. Let's go. Let's see where this channel wants to go this morning. See what kind of channel we got. Is it a channel? Oh, this thing's moving a little too quick. This thing's moving a little too quick for me. It really is moving a little quick. Like it's way above even the channel that I got set up. It's just way above that channel. But we're gonna push it, push it, push it. Let's see. Carlos says, how can I reach you in a different way?
IG.
Yeah. Go ahead, Eddie. Give out that info.
Yep, Eddie's Hustle at IG.
Up 16%. This thing has hit my level, bro. It's hit the pre-market aftermarket high. So now
Okay, I am in. There we go. I am in one call for
all right,
SPY.
trying to get this contract out at 11.5%, and it's sold. So we were in at 580, out
There
at
it goes.
640.
Oh no, wait. My order is not filling. My order is not filling. I'm canceling it. It didn't fill. All right, take that back. I am not in. My order did not fill. So I'm gonna assume I missed my opportunity. Spy, call. Yep,
All right,
because I have it.
I'm gonna wait for my next setup, but as of right now, I am up $60 on the day. Yeah, up $60 on the day. So far, first trade, and that trade cost me 575. And what I started at 1241, 1242, right? 1242. Got to look at 1241. Got to look at my board.
Do I
Eddie,
have?
man, I know you had a rough week last week with the car, dude,
Yeah, it sucks.
but but you were able to get a lot done in other aspects, right?
Yeah, you could say that. You could say that. I spend a lot of time in front of the. I spend more time in front of the computer than I ever did in the car.
Oh, I don't like what I got here. 60. I got 60. 666 left. Um, yeah, but you were able to get some stuff done the other way, right? Like you were
uh,
able to work on your websites, you were able to work on other streams of revenue other than ride sharing.
Correct. Yeah, yeah. I was able to do.
That's
You know,
important.
I thought I didn't get a lot done, but still, I was. I got a lot. I sat in front of the computer for a long time. Just a video that I want to let out. It's just me, what I'm doing, but it's just I literally sat in the computer, for a very, very long time, reviewing everything. Not only that, sometimes I gotta stop because you just like you just don't want to sit in front of the computer anymore, especially when you sit in front of the computer for that long.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's
Um,
a lot of time, dude. That's a long time. That is a long time, my friend. I hear you. But like we were talking about, and everybody out there that might be watching right now, like Eddie and I, we talk a lot. Uh-oh, look at the pullback. Here comes the pullback on Tesla.
yep,
Tick it dum dum. Spies pullback.
yep,
Wait for
and
it.
right at my resistance level, which, well, not resistance, it was yesterday's low. If you look at it,
The
low, low, low.
we talk a lot about how to make whatever we're doing better, and we help each other out through the discouragement and like what's the point and all of that garbage. Because you always need reinforcement. Then you got guys like and Jeff from Uber Jeep AZ and Kiera from Follow Keys Tracks. I tell you what, man. Let me tell you something. I've met quite a few people in my life. Obviously, I've lived half a century. I'm half a century old, mother. Ooh, right, bro. Kiera has to be one of the most helpful people I've ever met. She's got no skin in the game and benefits no kind of way, but yet she's always there to help. It's hard to find people like
What
that.
is she here today? Is she here today? I know she's got her book out.
She's got that right now. You see how she's got her store set up, and
Uh-huh.
she's got her ebook ready to go. And you know what? She priced that thing right. people are gonna say, well, $20 is a lot. Listen, all the information she's given in that ebook for Uber Eats drivers and DoorDash drivers, and it can be flipped around. A lot of those points can be flipped around to ride sharing. She's got that ebook priced at the right price. So as soon as she goes live with it, we're gonna have something up in the group here where everybody can take a look at it. And hell, we'll even once she goes live, we'll even give one away in the Rideshare Garage, our Wednesday night podcast for ride sharing. We will
Uh
give
huh.
away. I will pay her to let's get one out there, and we'll figure out a drawing on that for her.
Now, is she up to does she make about what I do when it comes to deliveries?
I don't know. She's not in that same. If y'all went delivery for delivery, right? If it was just
Oh,
delivery for delivery,
she'll have me beat.
oh,
Big
I think she would do. Yeah, I think her delivery for delivery is pretty good.
I don't know. Look at this.
I just put a 50
Tesla,
on
Tesla
Tesla.
is it's flagging right here, but it is oversold, overbought, and I'm already set for a put.
Me too, my brother. I just set up for a put. I haven't taken it yet. I'm watching the retracement and this pre-market high to see if that's flipping into resistance.
I need my candle to close right under my but it could be a continuation. So, but then again, I gotta see. It's gotta close under my it's really up here. Lines are really spread. It looks like it's about to cross. If it closes under my green line, it should be like closing here.
Well, I am
And
in.
this is what I've seen, experience.
I'm in my put 362. I'm in the 200 put. I'm in at 362. I saw what I wanted to see. Now it's just a matter of when do I pop out of this. So let me set up. Where's my short position on my trading view? I'm in about right here. I don't want to lose that much in the put, but I do want to get up here at least 10%.
Come on, Reggie, come on. I need that candle to close.
All right, so everybody can see where I'm at. Are you in a position?
No, not yet. Not yet. It's just this candle. It's just that my 2 minute candle on my SPY. There it goes.
All right, so
Okay.
I took this was a 376. So I took the position. You can see my
Position. There it
profile.
is. 390. I'm in 390 put right now. I just want to catch my 10%, right? I'm gonna put. It better be a put. Yes, put.
Well, I'm looking. If you look at my chart on the left hand side, that's the stock. On the right hand side is the option contract. I'm looking to see the left hand side pull back into that shaded box area, which would be a supply demand zone area. It's a pretty healthy supply demand zone area. Actually, that should be a little higher up.
6, 7. Come on, give me that 10%. I have good. I have a more than enough room to move here.
All right, we've reached the bottom. We've reached my price target area. So now let's see what it wants to do. I'm looking to see my 9 EMA cross under my VWAP on TradingView. But it's on the big chart here too. See, that's what I understand, bro. My 9 EMA and my VWAP match up on TradingView. There's got to be something going on in your charts. We
Yeah,
got to
I
figure
think
it out.
so. I think so, but it's not. Let me go. Let me go to my 1 minute here. There
Fingers
it
on the
goes.
trigger. Get ready to enter this zone. Over here is where I'm talking about. This zone here, which you've already flashed into it. We're past my 10%.
Oh,
We're
then I'm
sitting
right behind you. I'm right behind you.
at
Everything is looking good. As I was like, he's looking to the side. Let me see. I'm in my 1 minute here. I just needed to go so I can get my 10%.
SPY is on its way down. The VIX is way up. We're over $22 at 104.2. The 10-year bonds are going up. Oil's trying to climb.
I'm
All
gonna sell. Boof. Okay, I sold my position. Um, it was 9.7 something. It was just like it's hitting my resistance point right here, and it's bouncing right off of it. You could see.
right, so I bought let's see, 416
Boof. Positions,
minus
orders. Hold on. Filled.
362.
Buy at 390. I sold at 420.
That's $54. 362 times 0.15.
Oh, that was.
All
Oh,
right,
I gotta do this over and over again. See?
that was the 15.
Um,
All right, go ahead. I'm listening. I'm listening.
okay. So let me see if I got this right. Um, it was into over. So it went into overbought territory. Overbought territory. All right. It came
Uh
down to my overbought. See, it's an overbought territory right here. It turned
huh.
around.
Uh huh.
Candle. Um, it closed under my green candle. Hold on, let me go back to my 2 minute. It closed under my 2 minute candle. All right, and this is where I bought it right over here because the candle closed under both my lines. The cross is setting up. My MACD is crossing to the downside and it's coming from overbought and 10% from here to there, or
Sweet.
9.75, I think it was.
Sweet. Good job, buddy. Good job. Good job. All right.
Now I gotta look for it again.
Okay. So I bought up here at the zone, bought in the contract 362, sold 4, still there, but that 416 put me percent because it on my other chart, I didn't like the bounce. I'm looking at everything. I watched the VIX start to come back. But my short position, I hit my short position, broke through it, got my money, bro. Got my money today. Right now, let's see. We started at 1241, and I'm at 1360. So what's that? $119 on the day already in the first half hour. I'll take it, bro. I'll take it.
Well, Tesla looks like it's doing a continuation bounce right off of the EMA here.
All right. So everybody knows what I'm talking about here.
And I'm gonna do it again.
You can see right there. You can see. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm up $119 for the day. Sitting in my underwear, playing stock trader with Eddie.
You're sitting in your underwear?
Huh?
You're sitting in your underwear?
Well, I got to keep it G rated for YouTube, bro. If I stand up, it might not be G rated anymore, bro. Bro, let me ask you a question. What's the best way to make money? Sitting in your underwear. I'm not in my underwear, bro. I'm in my basketball shorts. All right. Wes, yes, we're getting at it. You know, Eddie and I had good conversations over the weekend, and we was trying to make some money because
Ain't nobody got time for that.
not trying to hear that shit, bro. Ain't nobody trying to be broke. So there we go. I got my soundboards in. All right, Eddie, it's on you, buddy. It's on you, buddy. Wes, I still want to, bro. We want to get with you because I really would like you to explain forex to me, if you don't mind. We could set up a Zoom call or bring you into the stream here, and all three of us can talk. And you know, if you have time, I know you're a busy man, but now, hey Eddie, I want you to notice something. I want you to notice something. Look at your chart. Are you on the 1 minute chart?
Hold on. On which ticker?
Tesla. Well, here, I'll show you on mine. You stay where you're at. I'm going to show you
Okay,
on mine.
okay. Let me see.
Okay. Remember I set this up. You see those? Remember we talking about this yesterday? We were talking about
Uh-huh.
supply and demand and peachy investor and all that. Look what's happening in my earlier supply demand zone. Remember I pulled all this from the pre-market.
Yeah.
Okay. And now what's happening right here? What are we
It's,
seeing? We're seeing all
it's
these wicks
all these
in
big
this zone.
wicks. Uh-huh.
So that's telling you there are a lot of buyers there that don't want to see this drop below this 204, 205 area, this 205 area. They're trying to keep it above 205. So this tells you that we're in a good range. We are in a solid range right now. We are in a solid range. Even on the 5 minute candle, a wick, well, you can't count that wick. That's the 8 o'clock wick. There's a wick here, wick, bounced right out. Then it's back down into this area again. Wick. We just and you and I just caught. Well, I caught it. You caught the down leg, but I caught the up leg and the down leg.
Yeah, I was waiting for my MACD. I just kind of like I
That's fine.
see it when it does that.
There's no problem there, right? But what I'm saying is that you can look in here and you can see these spots, entries up, entries down, exits. Don't be greedy. Take your 10, 15, 20% and be happy with that.
And then just go.
Don't fall in love with these stocks, bro. These stocks are like women. They don't give a damn about you once they find something better. Uh-oh, I'm gonna get
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna get FBI, open up. I'm gonna be in trouble, boy. You know that. When the queen
KK.
shows up, I'm gonna be in trouble. Oh man. That's a good morning, bro. That's a good morning to start on Tuesday morning. Up 119. That's a damn good morning, bro. That's some damn good morning.
Man, look at Tesla. Tesla is really going down. SPY is really coming down too.
Well, I got Tesla on my trading view coming right back into the same zone. Here's the $200 put. It's trying to break that zone. But I've made two trades this morning. I only out of the 1241, I only have $291 available left for trading. So that's just the way it is, bro. I only got one trade. Well, I can do one or two trades, but I might have to move into something else. Let me see what SPY is doing. Let me see what SPY looks like. I had a big board on SPY. I'm watching futures dump. I'm watching SPX dump.
I'm gonna grab my last trade right here on SPY. A SPY put right here. Am I in? Yep, there it goes. Okay, and it is just one option, 393. I'm not gonna be scaling out, so
SPY is at a critical point. SPY is definitely at a critical point. It's broken back on the big overall, on the big macro, the macro chart. It is broken below the uptrend. It is just crossed into the 50% retracement. This is a heavy area for SPY right now.
hold on, let me see. What do you have?
No, this is I'm on my other computer on my big chart.
Oh, okay.
So now I'm trying to see where I want to set up for see if I can set up a trade for SPY this morning. See, this is the one thing I didn't do. This is why I want to start at 9 o'clock in the morning because I want to come on and I want to show people how we're setting up our charts for the day. But we're in your world, bro. Where's your chart? Bring your chart up. No, nobody want to look at my chart. I'm not
Where
there.
is
Your
it?
chart's up. Your chart's up.
Yep, nope. Inspire is going totally opposite direction right now, but I'm playing the 9 EMA. I still got my downward momentum. It is not into my overbought, oversold level. So let's see. Okay, yeah, 2 minutes.
2 minutes, Dougie Fresh, you're
And
on.
I also have this. What is this about right there? It's just this is my big. I guess you could say it was a big pivot point. It came right to it, and I just see downward movement. I just also I also keeping an eye that this is yesterday's trading between these two lines, and I need to be away from it. So and it's fitting away from it. But again, not every trade is perfect. So
No, you're just making your best guess. I like Spy. Spy is definitely dumping. Uh,
just trying to see if I can find another support level here on
see if we
SPY.
got anybody in the comments. Nobody really in the comments this morning. Um, so I didn't make a video for my earnings. I don't know if I should make a video for my earnings or not this week. I did 926 on rideshare, and I had another 380 in private clients last week. So what's that? 12, 1300 for the week. That was it.
I'm jealous.
No, why would you be jealous, bro? It's not your. Listen, you
Hey,
got.
any type of resistance that you're watching on SPY under this level? I don't see anything to like really down there
Yeah, I do have a resistance area. Let me see if I can pull it up for you.
or
Uh,
support. I mean,
yeah, I do. Hold on. So let me see if it's let me do this. No, it won't let me do what I want to do there. So 399.50. This is my 30-minute chart.
399.50. What's it? 399.50.
I'm trying to get you there, bro. Slow down a little bit. There you go. There's the 399.50. So if you look at 399.50, it's a huge support. Oh, you can't see it. Hold on. All right. So you see the right hand chart. See this white line right here?
Yeah.
This is on the 1 hour chart. Okay. So the reason why I got 399.50 in here, I'm going to show you, is because we had an uptrend from here coming through here. Okay. We had a nice uptrend right there. And then it broke and rejected. It broke through it, came back up to the trend line and rejected off of it. So now I'm looking at 399.50. If I take the extended hours out, you can see it a little better. This is on the 1 hour chart. You see it?
Let me get my 1 hour chart. Where's my 1 hour?
But let me show you something. Let me show you something, bro. Okay?
1 hour.
We're looking at wicks, right? We're always looking at
Oh,
wicks.
here we go. Okay, I see.
So here are your wicks
Yep.
again. See that? We're
Yeah.
in the wicks again. So now if it breaks below this, I'm looking at the 399.
Oh, the 400 psychological level.
Right. But 399.50 sits on the trend line. So, and trend lines or support resistance are more areas than an actual line. You always got to keep that in mind. So there's a support resistance area or a buyer's area, seller's area, right? A lot of buying in this area. Once it broke
But I,
through, we had a fake out and then it ran up again.
but I kind of like doing the MACD, RSI, like really up there far away, and then it just came down. I did my trade, collected 10%, and then I was like out.
Gotcha.
I just like the way that it actually turned out.
Gotcha. Now I could, if I wanted to, I could take this one up to here. Yeah, that's more reasonable. That 393. So, I tell you what though, if SPY breaks that 399.50, look for that rip to 393. So now it's just a matter of watching this zone right here. Let me get on to a 2 minute time frame there. So it makes a little more sense to people that might be watching. Got a nasty gap down here this morning if you turn off extended hours. But if you turn on extended hours, there's volume in there. People were trading in there.
I'll see here. Yeah.
But there's still a nasty gap down this morning here. If I take VWAP and hide VWAP, you'll see it. If I hide the EMAs, you'll see it. See that big gap right there?
Yep, I know what you're talking about right there. See it?
So it's just something to be aware of. That's a legit gap. Boom to boom. That's a legit gap. But we'll see how it goes. We will see how she rolls this morning. So there's your SPY. There's your Tesla for my Tesla traders. And there's your SPY. There you go, bro. Do your thing, Hoss. I'm waiting for a really good setup before I make this third trade.
I am. Well, this is my last trade. I am, and I'm currently down on the trade and on my account. So $30 down after I just made my $30. I'm just playing again the cross down, crossover, VWAP. But that man, that other trade was just like, into the oversold, the Tesla. It just ripped up and then came right back down.
Right?
Just really liking how it actually played out. That was like obvious.
Trying to get caught up with all my text messages and stuff.
So it looks like,
Bro, we got out of those Tesla contracts at the right spot. Do you know why?
yeah,
You know why
on,
you don't want to hold in all this chop? Tesla. Do you know why you don't want to hold in this chop?
well, it was right in the mid. It was yesterday's trading.
No, 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 no. Listen, you're in an option contract, correct?
Uh huh.
If
Uh,
you're holding in this chop, what do you think's happening to the premium?
keeps eating away.
Exactly.
He keeps eating away.
So we both caught this at the right spot. Now you could have sat in it and said, all right, well, because obviously now it's breaking down a little below it, but I wouldn't want to sit in that chop because I might have lost 3-4% just based on theta and time alone getting chopped up there. So take your profits when you take your profits. Live to fight another day.
See that? Bouncing off the 9 EMA. Came down below it, bouncing off the 9 EMA. Tesla was kind of like a perfect setup, by the way. It just went up, hit the trend line, MACD. Look at this. It starts coming down. It crossed right as it's under the 9 EMA. And that's where I bought it. Let's go to 2 right here. Oof, right there. Crossing. So maybe that would be like my bread and butter
It's a simple,
setup.
it's a simple trade. When that opening range bound gives you that type of a trade, and it's that clearly defined, you got to take it. You got to take it.
All right. Well, here is SPY breaking down.
Oh, volatility is looking good, bro. Oh, we're gonna have some volatility.
MACD spread lines. I still have that down movement. So
Oh,
if everything goes right, I'm gonna play the down, okay, and then maybe take a trade going back up.
that's it. Guess who's in the house this morning?
Sergio, it's called time decay. Yeah, I know.
That's my
I
dog, Big
know,
Surge. Surge in
Sergio.
the house. Big Surge in the house. Like we doing all right this we're doing all right this morning, Sergio. It was easy pickings this morning.
Hold on,
Easy,
this is my
easy
five.
pick.
I got my eight. Here we go, 10%. There we go.
Sergio also says don't get nervous.
I'm always freaking nervous when you're doing this, bro. Always.
He's he's saying control your emotions, man. Control your
Yeah,
emotions.
sure. Yeah, I sorry. Yeah.
Bro, this is Eddie. This is Eddie turning on Weeble. This is Eddie turning on Weeble before he even thought about a
Yeah.
trade.
By the way, this is paper trading. This is paper trading, and the reason why I'm nervous is because I'm actually live, so people are watching. Imagine with real money. Yeah, like literally, my heart does do that, and I'll start like shaking. See, I'm not shaking now. I'm not shaking now, but sometimes it's like, dude, did I make a mistake? But that's the idea, you gotta make mistakes. You just gotta recognize
Amen.
them.
Amen. All right. So while we're
But yeah,
live and we got a minute here,
by the
uh,
way, I sold that.
did you?
Yep, I sold that 10% or like nine something. It reached there, but then it kind of backed up a little bit. So
Okay. Well, good job. You took your profits. Move on to the next setup.
now,
For those of y'all that are watching, bro, you can check out Webull. Scan the QR code in the upper left hand corner. You can paper trade on Webull. They have both a mobile app and a desktop setup. If you look, this is Eddie's desktop setup here. This is my desktop setup here. You can also work on a mobile app if you're that kind of person. I can't do it. I just
don't
can't.
do it as a beginner.
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
set up.
no, it's not the same thing.
Cost It costs you $0 to paper trade, to learn, to be a long time investor. You can invest on paper trading, stocks you might like, dividend stocks, things of that nature. You can invest. So you got a Webull QR code there. If you want to get hooked into TradingView, which is the number one charting platform. I sound like a commercial, don't I, bro? I'm sorry, y'all. I ain't trying to be a commercial here. But you can try TradingView for free also. There's no trading on there, it's just charting. Learn how to set resistance, support levels, supply demand zones, and trend lines. It ain't got to be fancy, bro. It's just got to be simple and effective. So we have those there. We're going to leave the Weeble up for Eddie. For all you Rideshare Garage fans out there, well, we finally went and did it. I'm going to list this up in the bottom here. T-shirts are now available if you want to rep the Rideshare Garage, all different kinds of sizes. I will make them available in different colors at some point, hopefully by the end of the week or the end. Yeah, by Wednesday night. Tomorrow night. I'll have all this squared away. And if you're a coffee drinker, I don't know why this picture came up like that, but it's got the Rideshare Garage logo on the coffee mug. So if you're interested. Anyway, let's get back to what we're doing. Eddie, sorry, bro. I had to do the commercial, man.
Always, always.
Oh, and I can't forget this, bro. Eddie, bro, Eddie, you're going to have to talk about this. You ready? Are you in a trade?
Nope.
All right. Anybody looking to turn their rideshare game into a business, you might want to check out Eddie and his Divvy credit card.
Oh, DV credit card. Okay, DV credit card is a really good credit card because it keeps everything organized. So basically, you fund it, all right? But then you could take your DB credit card inside your app and you could divide it into a whole bunch of credit cards. So this way you don't get overcharged for anything. So if you're paying something, and it's supposed to be like 29.95, whatever, then they'll only be able to charge that amount. If they try to charge above that, then it won't let them. And which it has happened to me plenty of times. But DB credit card, yeah, it's just Oh, and it builds credit also. I believe you could do it both on your personal and on your business. I use it for business, and I have $2,000 in there, and I can keep a budget, business budget of a 2,000.
So it's
So
a secured credit card, but
correct.
it's a secured credit card that reports to the credit bureaus. So if you're looking to build your business and have a lot of control over the spending on that credit card and build your credit up, this is a good way to go. There is absolutely nothing wrong with secured credit cards. I've never
and
had a problem with a
and
secure.
then, well, yeah, you're paying it back with your money anyways. It's like you have to pay back that bill. And you know how sometimes you have you get a subscription for something, you know, but they make it very difficult for you to cancel it. So what I do is I go ahead to my credit card. Say, oh yeah, you're gonna be that difficult? Boof! I close the credit card out. The virtual card. They give you like a virtual card in your menu, and that's how I do it. It's like it makes it very difficult for them to recharge your credit card, and then you get the notification that they tried to charge it,
Yep.
but the amount never goes through.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, Wes. Wes is like, Vinny, check out Apple puts down to 144 on the 200 moving average a few days
Ooh,
out. I will do that, sir. I will do. Oh, you see what he says here, though, right? You see what he says? He says, but check it out. Don't do it for me. Bro, we made some
APPL,
money. We made some money on
APPL,
this.
right? No, no, no. What's
Some money
for
on this.
Apple? Oh,
Huh?
here we go. AAPL.
Yeah. All right. Sergio says, this may be a new leg down, boys. Be careful. Remember TLT correlation. If that goes below 100, watch out. McClellan oscillators and summation index rolling. Probably too much information. Nah, bro. It's all good. It's all good, Sergio. We appreciate you, bro. We need that information.
Yeah.
Um, I know Wes would be interested in what Sergio just said also. So, but hey, Serge, I got to be honest. I still need to work on the TLT triple Q correlation. I for some reason when I chart it, there's something about it that's not. I, my mind can't grab it. So it's something I got to work on, my friend. All right, where we at? Where we at? What you looking at there? Looking.
Well, I still got my SPY. I'm waiting for this opportunity. It's like right there on the oversold level. And if a candle breaks above my 9 EMA, then I'm just gonna take that call. But I'll be breaking my rule.
Don't break your rules. We don't break rules.
No,
Don't
no,
break
no, no. The our mutual trading rules
which is what?
of not trading the amount of, like if it was to trade
No,
real
no, no,
money, we
no,
wouldn't have it
no,
available.
no, 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 Eddie, no, no, no.
Oh, we're not doing that rule.
If you do not have it in your account clean, you cannot use money that you've already traded to trade again because that would be a violation.
A
You know that.
violation of personal of
No,
mutual
no,
agreement.
no. So if you were to try to buy a contract, so say you had $1,000 in your account, all
Uh-huh.
right, and you traded $800 already. Okay. Now that's unsettled funds now. That becomes unsettled funds.
Correct.
So that leaves you $200 of settled funds to trade with. But you want to take a call or a put, right? That is a $350 call or put premium, right? If you try to trade that $350 of which you are borrowing $150 of unsettled funds, you cannot get rid of that contract until the next day, or you can be hit with a violation by the SEC, trading violation. It's
Uh-huh.
a legit deal. You can't do that, dude. So no, we're not breaking rules, bro. We're not breaking rules. Our name isn't Buffett. We can't get away with it.
Okay, let's see what we got here.
You have to break 23.6 fib level 149.31 and down to 38. All right. No, hey, I'm definitely going to check it out. I've never been a big fan of trading Apple, but I would definitely look at it. Wes, you have my word on that.
Let me see. Three.
Let's see what TLT is doing. TLT right now is at 100.8. So what was Serge saying
Nope.
before? If it goes below 100, hold on a minute.
Damn it, I can't trade no more. Damn it. I'm done.
All right. So this is what Serge is saying. So if you bring up your look all your trading view. I don't have trading. I have trading view on my big
No, hold
computer.
on. So which one do you put first? QQQ, and then you
No, no,
overlap
no.
it with
Just, just,
TLT?
just, just bring up TLT. Don't worry about correlation. I mean, riding out with the
TLT.
other thing. Just bring up TLT.
Okay, here's my TLT.
All right, bring up your TLT. And you see, Serge is suggesting if TLT breaks below 100, right now it
Uh-huh.
should be at like 1 point. What do you got it at? 100.83,
Yep.
100.82. Okay. So if it goes below 100, look out. I'm assuming we're talking about markets. Markets should go to the downside, if I'm right.
This is my 3 minute. What you looking at? Okay. It's doing a okay. It's doing a pullback.
Hold on. I want to make sure I'm not talking out my ass. Let's look at the 30-minute on TLT. Oh, and it is correlated. That's for damn sure. Yeah. So you got your trading view up?
Yep. It's I have it up.
All right. Put it on the 30-minute time chart.
La 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 la. 30
All
minutes.
right. Now you remember how I showed you on the plus button how to add in your triple Qs?
Yes.
I don't know if I'm wrong. Sergio will definitely let me know. Or bringing that triple Q on there.
Got it.
All right. What do you see happening there? They're both diving.
Uh-huh.
So I think what Sergio might be suggesting is if TLT drops below 100, watch the market go boom down to the downside. I think that's what he's referencing.
So a conversion. Okay. Well, hold on.
Well, they're not diverging, that's for sure. They're not
Yeah.
going the opposite direction.
So it's just the direction that see, this is what you're talking about. This fluctuation that really.
Yeah, that I don't understand. So he has to. I'll have to take. I'll have to hour so that I can understand that. But because he said that now, I'm watching Tesla. Tesla's coming up to VWAP at 206 right now. Yeah, Tesla's about 206 on the VWAP. I want to see on the 1 minute chart. I want to see what it does at VWAP.
And I tried to look for it, and I couldn't
Let's,
really find anything
what do you mean?
on this on the QQQ to TLT.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Sergio's drawing off his 30 plus years of experience, so he knows what he's looking for as an overall market.
Is this what it's
Market.
supposed to look like? I
Well,
can't
that's what I have.
I can't move my It's
Yeah,
just
I
that
know.
the volume here is really in my way.
So now if we do get a little divergence, because I'm seeing, I mean, the overall both are correlated and they're moving to the downside, right? They're both moving to the downside. If TLT goes down below, I mean, I don't know. Do we just, it's something that
Yeah,
I'm gonna.
I'm assuming because T 100 is like a psychological level.
I have no clue. I've never dealt with TLT. Remember, I am a simple, basic trader. I am a basic trader.
We follow the squiggly lines.
Yeah, as they're called, the pretty lines.
We follow the squiggly lines. Sorry, Sergio.
No, 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 no. Because Sergio's going to get us right. He's going to help us get successful. Like here's the deal: we are making Sergio a better rideshare driver. He's going to make us better traders. I don't know if he's still watching or listening and he heard that, but we got to get him out of that Prius and get him into an XT6. Actually, you know what? I'd like to see Sergio get into a Tesla, bro. That would be the ultimate. And I saw Chris on the rideshare guy yesterday. I didn't get a chance to watch the whole video. I kind of skimmed through it. I guess he moved into an XL, so he made a video on what to expect with XL rides, and it was interesting from what I saw. I got to go back and look at it because I kind of thought he was a little more to the negative side. Too many riders, and which is all absolute perfect information. You need to be aware of that. But I don't know. I don't know. I just got to watch it again. I got to check out your video. I still got all those questions to answer on my video. Anyway, look what's going on, bro. Look what's popping. Look what's popping.
Yeah, yeah. By the way, are you watching your Tesla? Your Apple?
No, no, I haven't gotten in Apple yet. I'm gonna go and look
It
at
was
that.
just like a good opportunity. But definitely, but I can't see the hold on.
Bro, I have never had success trading Apple.
But
But
right over here on the pullback,
I'm gonna look at Wes's
it's right
suggestion.
in the 90 MA, and another opportunity is coming up right here. But I'm missed it, missed it. I should have been in right here, this red candle. I should have been in this.
All right,
Already missed it.
check this out. Go back to your trading view for a minute. Take that TLT triple Q chart and
Hold on, hold on.
put it on the 5 minute chart.
Q Q Q. Hey, hey, hey.
Just leave the chart up, bro. Like
Hold
on
on.
your trading view.
TLT. Q Q Q. There we go.
Bro, you got 15 computer monitors over there, and you got freaking a computer designed by Elon himself. You can run all of this stuff. Is that your triple Q chart? Now you see it's funny. On the 5 minute chart, right? Your Qs are down, way down. On the 30 minute chart, your Qs are way up. So I don't know. We're gonna there he is. He's saying going to the daily. All right, let's take it to the daily. There it is. They're both moving
Oh,
together. They're
okay.
both correlating. They're both we got downside on both sides. Downside on both sides.
See this? Okay. TLT. This is my.
This is a 20-year bond, by the way, TLT.
Here's my 100. The blue line is the 100.
See what Sergio said? 3 minutes. WTF daily.
Let's go.
Sergio, be nice.
This is the daily. He told me to go to the daily.
Sergio's over there pulling his hair out of his head. What the hell are these guys doing? Oh God. Wes, all right, bro. We'll see you later. Appreciate you stopping through as usual, man. You know you're the man. We know you work in the morning, but you're always welcome to join us one morning if you want to come in and sit in with us. You know, because this is a group thing, man. This is a group thing. All trying to get all rideshare drivers to get into something else besides ride sharing. Because, bro, if I get another goddamn 2 mile Lyft XL or Lyft Lux for under $7, I'm gonna pull my fucking hair out. I'm gonna lose my shit on Lyft. I was so hyped up last night, bro. I almost pulled over Eddie last night and made a rant video about Lyft. I almost snapped. But instead of snapping off and getting deactivated, running the risk of getting door dashed by Lyft, right? You know what I did? I went into my vehicles. I hit the drop down box. I put on the blacks only and fucking closed the box and said, okay, if you're going to send me a ride, I'm only taking Lux Black XL. The
But no,
amount of garbage trips they were sending me yesterday pissed me. Now, with that being said, I still did $125 in like 3 hours last night. Right? But the garbage they were sending me, bro, was just pissing me off.
do a Sergio. Decline. Decline.
Bro,
Decline
not only
garbage.
declined, and then I accidentally hit one. I accidentally hit an accept. And I'm like, what the hell? I didn't accept this. You know how they play games with the screens? Like they move the goddamn screens around or whatever? Oh
Uh
my
huh.
God. I was pissed. Pissed. All right,
You
I'll
know,
consider doing that. I have a webcam in my old MacBook, bro. There you go.
yeah, bring it on.
This ain't
Yeah,
about
bring it
being
on.
fancy, bro. This is about
Because
being.
remember, I think when it comes to like forex and stuff, a lot of people don't have the time to trade this market because of the time zone, because of the time, but they might
Right.
want to trade the
Forex.
forex.
Exactly. Exactly, bro. Exactly. There's more than one way to skin a cat.
Okay, have you ever skinned a cat? I've heard that before, but
Have I ever skinned
I just wonder how you would skin a cat. Well, it's still alive, or
a cat? I have. Listen, I've been in some countries. I've been in some countries where dog is a delicatessen. You know what I'm saying? I guess anything's possible, bro. My whole time over there in South Korea, the only thing I ate was at the mess hall and MREs. I
uh-huh.
refused. I never ate any food off post
Oh, really?
out of Casey. Whenever we went down to the Ville to go drinking, I never ate any food. Never,
Damn.
never, 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 never.
Remember that that hotel that they kept giving them these drinks and they kept getting sick and then people were dying.
Costa Rica.
Was that in Costa Rica? What were they doing?
No,
What
no,
was
I'm
going
sorry,
on?
not Costa Rica. That was Dominica, Dominican Republic. It was the bad booze, the bad
Oh,
alcohol. Yeah, it was like they were giving them gasoline instead of giving them
yeah.
freaking, you know. Yeah, bro, it's just terrible, dude. Terrible, terrible. But
All
I
right. Well, I'm done for today. I am up $52.
all right.
Okay. On my account, I can't trade no more. And here comes the spy, which I've been waiting for. Let's see what happens when the candle closes above it.
Well, like I say, I could jump one more trade. I've got
There we
two.
goes. There we go. See, there he goes.
Well, what
Now
you're
it's gotta
what
stay.
you're seeing, what you're seeing, I'm not seeing because I'm still in my zones. If you look, the right chart is my spy. We're still in my zones.
So it's curling. Yeah. Well, for me, it's curling. It is doing or what do you call it? Divergence over on the RSI. But
Uh,
I really like it when it's really, but the MACD is like really down there. So this would technically be kind of like I don't know. It'll be like an entry for me right here, and then write it to the VWAP.
well, technically, the way I would see this, let me show you something here. It is breaking out of the channel, right? So we're definitely breaking out of the channel, right? So here it's on Weeble, right? There's the channel. Actually, you know what? Let me get out of that. That's not what I want.
Previous day slow. So let's get rid of this.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. This didn't do what I wanted it to do. What the hell? Weeble's screwing up here. What's Weeble doing here?
This is let me go to my spy.
Okay, Weeble's screwing up. I mean, it's still a trend there, but it's not the trend I wanted. So I'm trying to get rid of this trend line. It won't let me get rid of it. What the flip? All right, won't let me get rid of that trend. So let me do it here. Well, no, because that was a good trend. There it is. So technically, right? Technically, there's the trend.
I can't
So
see
it's
my
coming up
king.
to that's on SPY. Here, let me make this trend a different color.
Okay, here we go. That's my trade.
There's the trend. That's the SPY
Profit,
trend off the
profit
retrace.
potential. So I'll be willing to lose, what is this? 4% to make a, whoa, 20%.
Sergio, I told you he's getting pissed. He's getting frustrated with us. He says, one day I have to come in and do this. Bro, I'll take Sergio in a heartbeat, bro. This is very frustrating. I don't stress out this much when I'm trading.
Yeah, no. Sergio is a long-term trader, right? Or no?
Yeah. Um,
Sergio, are
Sergio,
you a long-term trader, or are you like short-term? Quick, easy trade, hold on for a little bit, and then you're in and you're out.
um, Sergio is a savvy, experienced trader, so he can get into
Look,
he understands a lot more metrics than we do.
and everybody that I watch is doing this. I
Yeah,
see
but
like the MACD, the RSI, the line, nice little colorful lines, kind of like the red light, green light, one, two, three.
yeah, but Eddie, you got to remember those people are doing what we do. Sergio did it off Wall Street. It's we're coming from two different perspectives. Now, but when you can get a guy like Sergio to mentor you and to explain to us what he sees, how he sees it, it could make things a lot clearer to paint the picture, right? Because that's what trading is. Trading is painting a picture. The charts just tell you the story,
Yeah,
painting a picture for you. It's a path. So when you look at it in that respects, like somebody like him is invaluable. I've never had a mentor. Everything I've learned at YouTube University, bro, and in School of Hard Knocks.
yeah,
With, but
that's
I've
the
been
way I'm getting
successful.
money.
But I've been very successful with it. You know what I mean? I've been very successful with it. So
Sergio, when the green
yeah.
line crosses over the yellow line,
I'm worried about. Oh God.
is this my 9 EMA? Yeah, this is my VWAP. Okay. But anyway,
Now you know what else you need to do, Eddie. You know what else I want you to do? Well, I'm going to do it. I don't. You do what you feel like you need to do. So since we started this challenge, right? Being transparent, I got to start a new Excel sheet today. Start with last week's totals with the three aspects of business right now. You got complimentary. There's one missing off there that I don't have that you do have. You have what they call, you have your primary revenue, you have your complimentary revenue, you have your ancillary revenue. So keeping a chart of that up for transparency for the channel.
oh, okay. You see when you have it here on the live.
Yep, 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 yep.
So
Anyway,
let's see if the trade works out. Let's see if the trade works out. My stop right down here. Where is it?
I might be done for the day, bro. I might take my $119 and call it a
Well,
day.
I'm done for today. So anyway, I take that back. This is a 10%. Yeah,
Let's see where you're at, House. Go
10%.
ahead.
Anyway,
We're
if
on
you
your
look at my trader view right here, it
we're on your
is
chart.
a 10%. It's a 10% loss for a possible 20% move.
Okay.
Let's see how it goes. I just need this little candle, green, green, green.
See, I don't like it. I don't like where the market is right now. It's very stable. It's chopping. I'm looking at SPY. SPY's in a range. I'm looking at Tesla. Tesla's in a range. I'm looking at let's see what we
You'll
got here. Treasury.
see if it hits my levels, then that's it. I mean, we're basically done. We can't trade no more. So
That's part of the challenge, bro. You got to keep it real. Got to keep it honest.
see that there it goes.
I can't take a $10 X ride and turn it into a $20 XL just because I want to. It's not part of the rules. Got to stay within the rules.
I don't know what percentage I am in Trader View.
What do you mean?
What is current percentage on the candle in between my I guess I could just move it down. Currently in 9%. This is my
That's
10% right here.
that's on. Wait a minute now. That's on the asset price. That's not the option value percentage.
So yeah,
All right.
correct, correct. Yeah, so it's not on the value of, but 10%. So I like it.
I'm looking for SPY to get back up to around. If it's going to continue to the upside, watch out for 402.75 in that little range there. That's I'm looking to see if that's going to flip into resistance. That would be the on this big current macro leg. That would be the 50% retracement that it's already broke down below. So 402.75, 403. See if
Yep.
it gets close to that, and if it rejects. If it
I'd say
rejects, I might take a leg to the downside. I might take a put.
I would have definitely taken my exit at about now, which would have been a 12%, 13, 12, 10. Yeah, about a 10%.
Get your profits, bro.
And
Man,
then, but I haven't. Again, I didn't take the trade, but I was just playing it um, oversold. You
uh,
know,
uh,
waiting for the candle to close above it, but it broke above it, but it didn't stay over there. It automatically came right back down. Over here, it actually, it closed above it, and then this would have been my trade. I would have held on. This would have been my stop right under here, right, this 401.48 right under here.
uh-huh.
All right, and I would have just rolled it up to the VWAP or right to this point. So
All right. I'm trying to catch up with the comments here. Wes says I'm back. I'm just going to listen with my headphones. Wes, you out on the streets, bro? You hustling, making the money? Um, Sergio says I don't label myself. It's okay, brother. We labeled you. We labeled you. You're the mentor. You're the man. You're the man. We're gonna label you, bro, because we like to have fun. And if we can't have fun, what's the point? Ah, look who's in the
another
house all the way from Ireland, bro. Mr. Paul.
the Apple. He's talking
Patty.
about Apple.
Patty. Hold on, bro. Hold on, bro. Patty's in the house, man, all the way from Ireland, dude.
Where's
Commuter branch line.
where's commuter? Oh, there's commuter. Good morning, commuter. Good morning, commuter.
And 90% lose. Yeah,
Hey,
that's true. Day traders
commuter.
are in a situation.
We need those sound effects, commuter.
You see this? Wes is like, bro, Vinny, going all in on Apple puts if it breaks below 149 for a week or two. Out. Double or triple your money and blame me if you lose. Bro, Wes, I promise you, I'm going to take a look at Apple later. I promise you. Oh, he's doing Instacart. Wes is out getting ready to start Instacart. Brother, make that money. Richie, good morning, Richie. This is my guy.
Oh,
This is my
Richie,
guy.
Richie. Oh,
He,
you're
he
Richie.
Yeah, Richie, don't make it sound like that, bro. No homo. I like women. Richie don't look nothing like a damn woman, okay? And Richie lives about 4.5 miles from my house. He's my guy. Waiting for him to get his new QX60. It's en route from Arkansas. And Sergio says my blood pressure is through the roof. What the fuck? Oh my god. Ah, okay. I don't know, man. I don't know what to say with Sergio right now. I don't know what to say.
Mario.
Bro,
Did you see
Sergio,
they actually
relax.
made a movie on that? The new Mario movie,
Nah, dude.
supposedly.
I haven't watched many movies lately. I've been watching I've been watching The Mayor of Kingstown. These are all Paramount Plus pictures. The Mayor of Kingstown, bro, that is a hell of a series. Paramount Plus. What else? 1923 with Harrison Ford. That whole there was the 1863, 1923. It's all country western about these people in Montana, how they got there, and bro, that series is it's crazy, dude. And what's the other one I've been checking out? Um, it's 1923 because I already did the 1863 series. 1923 and the Lord and the Mayor of Kingstown. There's another one I can't think of the name of it. I don't watch a lot of TV, bro.
Me neither. I don't even have a TV. I have
Bro,
four
TV,
monitors. Well,
bro,
five. Five
TV.
monitors.
Listen, 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 bro. Listen. If we don't get this grip zone going soon, I'm gonna lose my shit out on the street on somebody.
Well,
I
we gotta,
really
we
am.
gotta. I don't
We got
know.
to get the grip zone going, bro. We got to get the grip zone, the no grip zone going.
Would have loved to talk
Politics
about
today,
this crap that's going on here. I didn't even know that it was the this stuff was going on here in Austin, downtown.
bro. That's
So
crazy, bro.
yeah, I didn't know.
You
I
know
didn't know
what?
that stuff was going on downtown until I kept getting these cop Twitter police, Austin police. They have their own Twitter and they keep saying, "Hey, stay away from downtown, stay away from downtown." But I never read them.
Right,
When I started
bro.
reading, I was like, "Ooh,
You know it's your fault, right?
you know,
You know why it's your fault? Why they're doing donuts in the middle of the town? You know why it's your fault?
where's
Because
that?
you
It's out."
started. Because you started the dom.
Yeah,
You
I
started
don't.
the dom.
There's other people that don't want to work, man.
I hear you, Wes. No, I got TVs, bro. I got a big old 65-inch sitting there. I got a 55 in the bedroom. The TVs are there. My wife, she'll watch the TV in the bedroom and then put on the rain shit to go to sleep.
Well,
I did.
technically, if I put all my TVs together, I have a 50-inch.
Oh,
So
I was gonna make a joke, but I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. I was gonna cut a joke up there, but I ain't gonna do it. Eddie doesn't. Yeah. Nah, bro. Listen, TVs are cool. I mean, but come on, man. Let's be honest. Most people watch this, right? This is where they're at. They're on their phones, right? They're on their phones. When I'm sitting there waiting in between rides, I'll check Twitter and get pissed off. Then I'll go to YouTube and get pissed off. And then I just turn everything off and I get out my truck and I do my 30 squats, my 30 jumping jacks. I need to put resistance bands in my truck too so I can work out in between rides because my ass
oh, we
got.
could do a running speed and get the little push-up things.
No, we ain't doing all that. I ain't out there in no damn t-shirt, bro. I ain't in no t-shirt and dicky shorts. You know what I'm saying? But you get your squats on. You get your squats on, get that blood moving through your legs and your lower back. You get your jumping jacks on, you get your cardio up a little bit. I should do a video on that. You know that? 3 exercises to do in between rides. You know what? I'm gonna do that video. I'm gonna cut that
Maybe
video.
I should just do my go back to my five push-up challenge.
5 push-up challenge. What the hell?
Yeah, it was my five push-up challenge. Doing five of the push-ups that I do.
Oh, those things.
Yeah,
Man, that's not push-ups. That's suicide shit. You're gonna get people killed, bro.
just
You're gonna get
imagine that.
people killed.
You want to see. Actually, if anybody goes into my oh no, I don't have it on my I have it on another IG called it's called my muscle size. And I was really just like getting into calisthenics and stuff, and then I didn't know that I could do those push-ups. I just saw somebody doing it, and I was like, "Oh, I could do them." And then next thing you know, that was my push-up challenge. Just be able to do five push-ups. That's it, just five push-ups. But they're hard. They're hard.
Yeah,
I
they're
couldn't even do one.
not your normal push-ups.
No, it's just that that muscle that you have to develop the muscle that so you could do them because it's not developed, and you get sore really quick.
Yeah, I'm sure you do. You see why I haven't made another trade? Well, it's two reasons why I haven't made another trade, Eddie.
Look,
Two reasons.
profit,
Number one,
profit.
because we're just ranging, so I'm not getting caught in the chop here. And number two, I don't need Sergio to have a coronary over there because his blood pressure's through the roof.
He's gonna pop a vein. That's what he's gonna do.
You know, I don't want him to do that, bro.
Sergio, we're doing what we can with what we have with the people that we're involved with. So you are more than welcome. You know, yeah, yeah. Like be like, don't do that, like that. And then we'll be like, why? So what the hell's going on?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Kind of like I was watching John Carter from Mars, and they went to fight, whatever. And when they got there, there was nobody there. They were all at a wedding, and
Bro, that's
the alien guy just like poof, smacked him in the back of the head. It's like, what's wrong with
I saw that movie. Do you know what that movie? I own that movie. It's the biggest Disney movie ever made, the most money they ever spent on a film production, and it's the
you?
biggest flop.
You read the story about how John from Carter, the cartoon, became to be. It started back in the 30s. Somebody was trying to put something out there, and then they put it as a um, cartoon because he was a I think he was a scientist. He was a scientist, but John Carter from Mars, and he created it. But there's a story behind it. You got to read it. It's very
You see what Richie
it's a very interesting story.
you see what Richie said? Richie said
What
it's
did
better to
Richie
be
say?
pissed off than pissed on.
Yeah,
See, this is what friends do. Friends don't they're not there for you when you need them. No, 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 no. Friends are there so that when you fall down, they kick you in the fucking head.
be like, get up, get
No.
up.
No, 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 no. No, they kick you when you're down.
Okay, so I've been out of work for a week now. This sucks, man.
So
Not
when
work.
are you supposed to get your car back today? Are you getting your car
Let's
back
see.
today?
Let's see. I got my phone like right in front of me.
Huh?
I got my phone right in front of me, waiting for that call. Look at
Richie,
that spice.
Richie, we need to send you to Austin, Texas right now. First of all, you got to understand Richie is probably the best car price negotiator you will ever meet in your life. You do not buy a car without Richie. Richie lives for the thrill of pissing car dealerships off. Richie's the kind of guy that will walk into a car dealership with 10, 15 G's cash, stack it on the table, and say, I'm here to buy a car. And then negotiate them down. And when they say, well, no, we can't do that, he'll scoop the 15 G's off the table and say, all right, fuck you. I'll go to the next car dealership.
I thought it was 10 G's.
10 to 15, bro. Richie's a baller. Richie's a baller.
I had to buy. By the way, well, I told you I had to buy my truck because I had a little situation going. I had to get something quick. I had to get something quick. I couldn't wait. I wanted to wait because now my truck, I can get it for about 40, 10 grand under, with
Right.
like a couple of thousand miles on it.
So flip it.
Yeah, I was thinking
Get
about
the
it,
brakes done. Yeah, get the brakes done and flip it. Flip it.
you know, but then what I owe on it is just too much for the value of the truck.
You can always flip it.
What I was thinking, look at that spy. It's just tanking.
It's back in the range, bro. Look, it's back in the range. It's still in the
But I
range.
would have never taken that trade until see when it gets to the four. Where's my 400 level here? It's right. Oh, man, it's just really down. Okay, it's got room to the 400.
While we're up there again, while you're going through that, trading view, you can click and you can get the trading, scan the code, get the trading view. It's free to start, gives you 3 indicators per chart. So you can start tracking your trades. It is the number one used platform outside of a trading platform. Webull, You can follow us along and paper trade for free. Doesn't cost you any money. Get comfortable. Start to learn. Start to understand. You're going to lose a ton. It's going to happen. You cannot learn by winning only. Sorry, going through the affiliates right now. The Divvy credit card. Eddie has used this successfully. Eddie, take it away.
It is how you keep your finances on track and by only paying what you need to pay when you have those subscriptions. And you can take your DV card and you could take one credit card and divide it into like 20 credit cards, and you can put each credit card and put it, to each individual bill. So if any of those companies try to like fist you on and try to charge you more, then the debit card is set to a certain amount, and
When,
it
if
doesn't
they
let it
try to
go
what
through.
you? If they try
Okay,
to
and if they what happened?
if they try to do what to you?
If they try to take more than what they're supposed to,
No, 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 no. How'd you say it?
like when they try to, you know, yeah, then the card automatically boom does not let the amount go through, and those companies that make it difficult for you to cancel your subscription, you could just poof cancel your credit card.
He said when they try to.
Hold on, let me see. I have my DB card right here. It's an app.
Oh God, I needed that laugh this morning. All right, for all you rideshare garage fans out there, if there are any, mine's on the way. We got the rideshare garage T-shirts up in the rideshare garage store. We have our mugs up, even though I need to change this picture because this picture sucks. You don't get to see it, but it's got the logo on it. All right, now that we got all that out of the way, let's get back into the chats. Um, let's see. Let's see. Richie.
All right.
Yes,
But hold on, look. This is my DB credit card. My debit card is the app on my phone, and I have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and a whole bunch of credit cards. But it is just one. It is just one physical one, but on my app. So whenever I want to choose what I want to, if I'm buying something online, I will choose that credit card, and on that credit card, this is where I pay my cell phone bill with, and boom, here's the numbers. All right, and then if anything goes wrong, then the card automatically declines.
nice. Yeah, you're gonna have to show me that. We'll get into that, bro. You should do a video on that.
So it's pretty cool. See that? This is my video editor. I was paying a video editor online from I forgot the name of that company that we use.
Who?
Um,
Oh, company. I do my own edits.
Fever,
That
whatever.
you guys using the
So I
five.
use this credit card. Happens to be they were trying to charge more, so I went ahead and I froze it, so they couldn't charge me anymore. And it's
There you
just as
go.
easy as just taking it out and boom, I go right here plus, and I can just create another card and fund it with as little or as much money as I want to.
That card sounds interesting, and it reports to all three credit bureaus.
It reports to the credit bureaus. Now, this is I use this for my business. Um, secured, secured credit card for my business, but I just don't know if it does it. I know it has to do it personally. I
Not
automatically use it for
necessarily.
my business,
Not necessarily.
and it's let's see,
The only time a business card will report to your personal credit, I believe, the way it was explained to me,
see
is if you
the
had to personally guarantee it.
oh, I can't see it. But you get the DV credit card.
All right. So we have to check it out. Check it out. All right. It is 11 a.m., bro. It's
Yeah,
11:01.
we are done. We are done. I haven't been traded for anything. I made my money. That's it. I'm done. Perfect opportunity was in the beginning of the day. Where are you, Sergio? Sergio, when the green line crosses the yellow line. Okay, that is it. But I actually did it
Oh God.
on Tesla.
You know,
Tesla. Look at
trust
this. It took off. Well, Vinny made money. You made money on the way up.
and
Okay, and I took it right back down. It went all the way up. Line separated. It's coming back down. Boom. I took it once it crossed down under my 9 EMA. That's where it crossed over here. Am I looking at the right timeline? Yeah, 2 minute. All right, and I wrote this, bing, and I made money on it. Well, I did the after I was in, which was right here. I was in right here, and then I just wrote it down, which was this big candle, these two big candles right here.
Oh, there you go.
Made my 10%, and then I did it again with the spy. Spy was right down here, perfect. Well, it was an okay opportunity. 2 minute, it came all the way down. It was like it was touching the oversold, but my MACD was not crossing. I was waiting for this for the cross,
Smart move.
waiting for
Let
the
it
cross.
go.
Once the
Yep.
cross, once the
Go.
cross started happening, my candle started closing above the 9 EMA, and this was just like kind of like a short trade. Actually, this is the trade that I didn't take. I think this is the trade that I didn't take. Anyway, wrote it up right up to here, took my 10%, and I was like, actually, this is a 20% move, but
So imagine, bro. Imagine, right? Because we talking about, we're basic traders, right? Basic trading 101. And you can check that channel out too, Basic Trading 101. If you want a quick tutorial on support resistance lines, how to draw them in, your trend lines, how to draw them in, how to set up a Webull chart on a desktop. Anyway, bro, it's $120. Didn't even blink. Was done within 25 minutes. I was done trading for the day. That's $120. I don't have to chase out in them goddamn streets today. You know what I'm saying? That's $120. I don't have to chase out in those streets.
so well, this is what I want to see. This is what you want to see, right? 10%, make $52 for the day, times that by 100, it's
So let me ask you
520.
a question, Eddie. Let me ask you a question because you used to drive. You've driven X more recently than I have. How long would you have to be on that street in the morning, 3, 4, 5 in the morning to get that $52? How long would you have
Uh,
to be on that street?
in
An
in
hour?
in the in the
2 hours?
morning, I would have to be no, I have to be out for a couple of hours.
So at
Um,
two
it's been
hours.
it's been it's been very 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 slow in the AMs.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 2 hours, 3 hours. You had to get up, get showered, get dressed, get your smelly ass washed, go out there, get your coffee, right? Wait for the ride, turn on the apps, burn the fuel, drive around town, then come back home to make the same money that you just made in an hour sitting in your underwear talking with Vinny and driving Sergio crazy.
Yeah, Sergio, which he says, don't take garbage, which that's what I do. So I sit around a lot. This is like worst case scenario. Worst case scenario is about what I make, just sitting around doing nothing for hours. Worst
And
case
that,
scenario. On the weekends, it's different. On the weekends, it's different. Usually in the AM, I'm making about, over 100, 100, 150 in the AM, and then I take my break, and then I finish off the day in the PM.
but that's my point though. So it's not it comes down to like we figured out yesterday, right? And we won't get into what we figured out, but we figured out 9 streams of I just got a text message from Sir.
Oh,
I just saw it. I didn't read the message yet.
I wonder why he didn't put it here.
Oh God. Hey bro, I love community, bro. I love community. I ain't a fucking socialist, I'm a capitalist, but I love community, bro. I'll read you what he I just caught a glimpse of it, Sergio. So I didn't see the whole thing. I'll tell you. I'm sorry, I lost it. Sergio broke me.
I wonder what he said.
I'll tell you when we're off air. Um, oh God, where the hell what was we talking about, bro? Sergio just broke me. he
Yeah, no.
just
Well, I was talking about the when I drive, how long it takes me to make this money.
right. So and we were talking yesterday, right, between you and me. We developed 9 different streams of income off of 3 different we turned 3 streams of income into 9 streams of income. Opportunity, opportunity. And like I said, bro, I almost snapped. I almost did something. I almost pulled a rideshare professor on freaking Lyft. How I went after rideshare professor and called him out for his freaking hypocrisy, his
Uh-huh.
bullshit. I almost did that to Lyft last night, and we know how we went off on that guy. Imagine how epic it would have been. Oh, today, bro, I'd have 28 emails from Lyft saying, "Oh, sorry, your background check failed. Oh, sorry, your 5.0 perfect rating isn't sufficient to keep you on the." I'm telling you, bro, they would have deplatformed my ass
Yeah, they put
in
the
a heart.
filters just because you were being mean.
You know what I'm saying? They would have door dashed my ass last night, bro. I was
Listen,
hot,
they do that a lot in DoorDash?
bro. They were slapping. They were deactivating people left and right for talking smack about them on the internet. And I'm not looking at the phone. I
Oh.
just got another text message. I'm not looking at the phone because Sergio's not going to break me twice in one show. So I'm not looking at the phone. The phone's over there. I didn't even look. I'm not going to look.
Well, it is 10 o'clock my time, 11 o'clock at your time. I've been doing the down for a while now.
Yeah, so let's wrap this show up today. We'll be back tomorrow. I'm going to try to start. I'd like to start at 9 a.m. if you can get your sorry ass out of bed.
I was.
Okay. Well, 9 a.m. Let's start the show at 9:15 instead of 9:25.
9:15. Okay. Or 9:15 or 8:15 at my time. 8:15
8:15 your time.
Central.
Because I'd like to set up
8:15.
the chart. I'd like to set up our zones while we're on air, so anybody who might be watching can see what we're looking for, and then go into our trading day.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe Sergio will join in. Sergio, wake up early, Sergio.
Richie's telling me to set my alarm. Oh my god! It depends on how much Richie pimps me out on the street tonight. If Richie's pimping me hard tonight, then I might be a little late. But no, let's shoot for 9:15 in the morning,
It's 10 o'clock, dude. I gotta call this people up. I gotta see what the hell they're doing.
bro. Get your truck, bro, before we all got to fly out there.
Yeah.
Sergio, Richie, and I will fly out to Austin, bro.
I'm still good because everything is the 21st. I got everything taken care of for this month, but for next month I gotta be out on the road. So
Right? Got to make that money. Need to get that bread, bro. You can't make money. Well, as you can see, you can make money sitting on your hind parts in your underwear. But anyway, all right. I think that's a
oh,
wrap.
by the way, I think my Nick from my Jersey guy is back.
Is he?
Yeah, I think so. I think he said that I told you he should have never bought that piece of garbage
Well,
car.
wait a minute. Wait a
I
minute.
was like,
Wait a
who the
minute.
hell
Wait
are
a minute.
you?
Whoa, 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 whoa. When you were smacking it, 18, 19, 2 grand. When you were
Yeah,
smacking money, that
yeah.
some bumpkin,
He didn't say nothing.
he was under his rock and ain't got nothing to say. But
Uh-huh.
now that you have a little incident, you got an issue
Yep.
with the truck, which happens. Your vehicle goes through this, right?
Yeah.
We've all been through it.
They kick you when
Now
you're
he
down.
wants, yeah. Didn't I just tell you that your best friends can
Yeah.
kick you down,
I was just thinking. I was just thinking about saying like, see, this is how people are. They kick you when you're down.
bro, bro?
You gotta cut those people out. You gotta cut those people out. You don't need them. You don't need them.
Listen,
All
those
right.
people ain't got nothing better in life to do.
Yeah. You believe it?
As Jeff would say, get off my channel, unsub, quit following. I ain't got time for that shit. Go follow somebody else.
Oh, yeah. Go bother somebody else.
Nick from
But
Jersey.
it's just funny how when you're doing good, they cheer you, right? But when you're doing bad, they kick you.
Yeah. It's called crabs in the barrel, bro. It's called crabs in the
Yeah.
barrel. That crab don't want to see you get out that barrel, so he's going to keep pulling you down and keep pulling you down and keep pulling you down. And you know what? Nah, bro. Ain't nobody got time for that shit, bro.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So
So I
anyway,
think it was him. I think it was him, but just the way he worded it sounded just like him.
bro,
Read
center
just
mass.
like him.
Center
But it's
mass.
just
Call
funny.
it center mass.
That's why you just hey, when you're doing ride sharing and you're making money and you're doing this and all that stuff, but you do what you want to do. People are gonna
Amen.
throw their opinions. You're gonna do what you're gonna do because at the end of the day, it's you that loses money. It's you that's putting everything on a line. It is you that bought the car. It's you that doing everything. All
Mhm.
right, because at the end of the day, it's not happening to them. It's gonna be
Right.
happening to you. So I'm doing this, you know, and I'll take advice from Vinny, Sergio, if I can understand what the hell he's talking about. Um, but yeah, and then you just put it to work. Put it to work until it works. Once
Bro,
it works, then you find your little niche and then just go with it, and then other people will follow. But cut
bro,
out all the ones that kick you. When you're
tomorrow
down, they kick you, bro. Oof.
we're gonna put a new QR code in for Sergio. We're gonna give this his link. Bear aspirin, his Eddie repellent. That's gonna be his Eddie and Vinny repellent. All right, bro. Wrap it up. I don't see nothing that's really I mean, everything is slow moving. So for an
Very
option
slow
trader,
moving.
yeah, option trader, you need volatility, you need price action, and I'm not seeing a whole lot of price action to make me want to jump out and do something. So,
Well, according to Peachy, this is like the best time to stop and then come back later in the afternoon.
hey, Paul's dead right about this. Every car, every car needs maintenance, brakes, oil changes, even even the Tesla, even the Teslas, because you rip through so many brakes and tires, right? It's true, 100%.
Yeah, man, listen. Last time I brought my car into the dealer, be like, hey, give me an oil change, but check everything else.
Hmm.
Brakes was fine. There was no leakage. All the fluids were fine. Whatever and all that stuff. Everything was fine. Um, and then this crap happens. That's why I'm waiting for them to fix it. So when I go back there, I could be like, hey, just wanted to let you know. I'm gonna be sarcastic about it. I was like, I brought my car here not even 2 months ago, and you guys checked it. Everything was fine, and now for some reason now you guys are finding all these things. I mean, if you're trying to, pocket
Yep.
money off of me because the warranty, because I have a bumper to bumper warranty with them, so they gotta fix it for free.
Right.
All right. Um, but now they're coming in with the brakes and stuff. It's like, wait, hold on. The car's not even. I haven't had the car for 3 months old. Why didn't you tell me that 3 months ago? And or why didn't you just fix it 3 months ago? Um, I don't know, but
Uh,
I'm gonna throw
Patty,
my 2 cents when I go there.
Patty says Tesla tires, tires, tires. He's got to change his tires up to
Yep.
17,000. So I
Brakes.
also,
There's one thing. Well, there's one thing I won't agree with you. Is brakes. Brakes will last you over 200K on the Tesla.
but why do the tires go so quick? Is it because of the
It's
regenerative
perfor-
braking
it's perfor-
and the friction?
No, it's performance. Um,
Bro, I
the
ran
uh the,
performance
the, the
tires for
performance
years.
tires, so they go away fast.
I run performance tires on my CTS on Kitty.
Yeah, but the torque on the Tesla,
Uh huh.
horrible. Man, freaking the thing you touch it and it just goes. So you tend to
So tire rotation don't help you with that?
yeah, the tire rotations help, but the tires wear out, they wear out evenly because the car is balanced. So they
Okay.
wear out even, so they last longer, and then when you rotate them, they last even longer. But yeah, they're performance tires, so they wear out fast. I stopped putting performance tires on a car, but if you put other different type of tires on it, then they don't grip as good, you know. Um, because again, man, you touch that pedal and the tires just they just spin. But
Right.
performance, yeah, 17,000 miles, yeah, that's about right for the performance tires,
That would
and they're
piss
not
me off
cheap either.
because then you're talking if you're a Tesla driver and you're doing rideshare
Yeah.
between all the apps, all the platforms, you're making. Listen, I know if listen if I went back to X, it'd be a $1,500 week every week. I'm not worried about that. But the problem is you'd be going through tires every 3 months, 4 months.
Yeah, 3 to 4 months. Yep, depending. Well,
That's insanity.
when people first get their cars, man, they're stepping on it. That's the first
Are
thing
they?
I did. I went through tires really fast. Once you get used to it and you start ride sharing, you start conserving, then you start taking it off the standard mode and put it in on what is it, slow mode or whatever.
That turtle mode, whatever you were
Yeah,
talking about.
you got to switch it.
Model Y weighs 2 tons, has 450. All right, horsepower at the wheels, and I might just have got the car up to 88 miles per hour. Ahem. That's what you was just saying, bro. You're
Yeah,
calm.
it's
It is
it's
right.
hard not to step on it, man. I'm telling you, it's hard not to step on it. The
He
car
says he's now,
goes.
he says he's now in chill mode.
Oh, that's what it's called. It's called chill mode. Chill mode, standard mode. Oh, by the way, man, if you have got clients in the car, put chill mode on. You know when they're in the back seat and you just touch the pedal and the car just kind of takes off, they're getting whiplash in the back. These are usually people that have never even probably even don't even drive a Tesla. And then when you
You
drive the Tesla, you're holding on to the steering wheel so you don't feel it. But them in the back, bro, they're going like this. They go, whoosh, you know. I'm telling you, I'm telling you.
So I got
Old people,
we
they're
got
gonna
a
give you bad ratings.
we got a friend down here, Richie and I. He runs I told you about this guy. He runs the largest Facebook rideshare groups in the country. Okay. He's the guy. He's got like 7 or 8 Facebook groups. Anyway, he went and rented the Tesla as an experiment. And he was like, dude, I'm giving him whiplash in the back.
Yeah,
He says, but I like it. I like the power. I like so he didn't give a flat ass about the people in the back. He just like hitting it and going.
yeah. Because people
Uh,
in the back is like, oh, this guy's speeding, but you're really not. It's just that it's very sensitive, and you can't get used to it. You can't get used to it.
that's craziness, bro. I
Ooh,
don't know. I'm a pretty chill driver. Like my CTS will get up and rip. My CTS will get the hell out of Dodge in a heartbeat. Right? It ain't gonna listen. Nothing can beat a Tesla right now off the line. I'm not worried about that. But I mean, I've had Kitty well over 130, and I mean, I punched it.
my
I
CT, my XT6 comes out as sport.
yeah, bro, bro. Do you realize how fast that truck is
Never,
for an
never stepped on
SUV?
it.
When you get it back because you'll have brand new brakes and rotors or whatever, right? Punch it. Get it on the highway. Get into a clear area where you're nice and safe, and just punch it.
Because I know the CTS is fast, but there's a delay in my XT6
Nah,
that
nah,
it's just like you step on it, and it'll go, then it'll go.
bro. You know how many times I've ripped tires on my CT on the If I get out there right now, hit the gas, skirt, and we're out. Out.
All right, all right. But let's close this up. All right, we are done for today. I'm up $50, $1,028. If anywhere you at?
I am up $119 to $1,360.
Damn, my camera just died. All right, perfect timing. All right, so yeah,
All right, hold on. Last one. Last one. Uh Commuter branch. New tire for Tesla in the UK, Ireland, about 170
yeah.
per corner. Fitted and balanced. So yes, when I start driving rideshare, I need to take things easy. Hell yeah. Tires ain't cheap. Bro, tires on my truck were 215 a piece before I put them on the truck. But I've got the best water rated tires in the business on my truck. So I
Damn,
hear
Vinny, I thought your
huh?
account. Oh, okay. Well,
What?
I don't
What did
know.
I do wrong?
No,
What
no, I'm
did you
talking about what you were just talking about with the car.
what's that?
How much are the tires for the
XT6?
yeah.
If you get the water rated tires, which is what I have the water rated tires because it rains so much here, bro. And we get puddles in certain low lying areas. Remember, bro, we're at sea level. You guys got ice. We got rain all the time. So 215 a piece before I put them on the truck, before I mounted them, balanced them, and all that good shit. But I got lifetime rotation. So when I go in to get the
Yeah.
oil change, they rotate them for me. I don't have to worry about it. All right, let's kill it.
All right.
Kill it. Eddie made progress today. I made progress today.
Yeah, I thought
Um,
your account was like you said your account was 200, right?
what?
Was it 12? What was it? What was your account? What'd you start off today at?
1241, and I'm at 1360. I'm up 119.
Okay, I
Two
brought my
trades.
account down to nine something. Hold on, 976, and it's up to 1028. So
That's it. And then my schedule for today, Monday through Friday. Wednesday's a little different because we got the rideshare garage, but I start driving at 3 p.m. my time, and I work till like 9 o'clock at night. I've got my areas; they've been panning out. They're not great, they're not bad, but it's making my nut. And that's the Monday through Friday schedule. Trading in the morning, driving in the afternoon. Trying to work my way out of rideshare. Although Eddie, I got to be honest about something, bro. Before we go, I do enjoy the social interaction with my riders. I
So
have a
yeah,
good time with my riders. I had an acapella group yesterday. A legit, like like the movie. What was the movie with the acapella girls? Um, damn it, I'm getting old. I can't think of the name
the
of the movie.
Dixie Chicks,
No, um, shit, man, they made 3 movies. Anyway, you know what acapella is, right?
Grease.
You know what acapella is, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so they
Boys
did
to Men.
a whole mashup acapella in the truck from where I picked them up to the airport yesterday, bro. We were rocking in the truck with the radio off. It was awesome. So shout out to my girls from Long Island. All right.
Hopefully they're watching.
Well, one of them was like
They're
really,
from Long Island.
yeah. So shout out to my girls. They finished second in the competition. Orlando came down to Miami to party for a weekend. All right, y'all. We will see you tomorrow.
All
Tomorrow,
right, let's make this.
9:15 a.m.
That's
Got
right. Living the right chair life for day trading. All
Wait, we
right.
ain't left yet.
When the
Ain't left yet.
when the
Pitch
green
perfect.
line crosses over
That's
the
the
yellow
movie,
line, the one that Sergio does
bro.
not like. How the hell did you
Oh
do
my
that?
God. Why did you say that, bro? Why did you say that?
So,
I was hoping you wouldn't say that. I was
so,
hoping you wouldn't say that.
green.
Okay, I gotta read you his text message.
All right, all right, all right. I'll see you guys.
All right, y'all. Be easy. End the stream, Eddie. End the stream.